How to check if your iPhone display is original or replaced. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can check if your iPhone display is original or replaced. So let's get started. First of all, you gotta go to settings and then you gotta go to general. After that, you gotta go to about. If you see an option such as replaced part over here, that means that your phone's display has been replaced. But however, if you're not able to see that and you still think that your phone's display has been changed, you can go back and then you're going to go to display and brightness. Over here, scroll down, you'll be able to see the option of true tone. So if you don't have the option of true tone, that means that your display has been changed. And if you have the option, that means it has the original display. You can also try turning on torch and just check the brightness. Compare that with any other iPhone and you will see that if there is any difference in display, that means that the display has been repaired or replaced. So that is basically how you can check if your iPhone display is original or replaced. So if you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.